So big news for AMC shareholders today as, guys, Ape Nation is lawyering up. We had a tweet from a very well-known lawyer that represented Overstock going back to 2008 through 2012 in a manipulation case involving Goldman Sachs. I'll show you the tweet here. Wes Christian confirming he is working with Chad Brewer on market manipulation matters involving consulting work for this Chad Brewer. What does this mean? If a retail trader is going to lawyer up when it comes to possible market manipulation, could we see more of this, guys? But let's talk a little bit about the history in this story first, and that involved Overstock.
Right. Wes Christensen, again, lawyer known on Wall Street. And we actually dug up this article back from Rolling Stone and checked the date out. May 15th, 2012. So a little long in the tooth here, but it doesn't really matter because it's talking about how he was involved with the naked short selling against Goldman Sachs and what was involved there. A lot of interesting stories here on this article. But I just wanted to talk about what could happen moving forward. So I just called up an Overstock chart, and this is what they're mad at. Bringing the stock all the way down, disclosing some short sale information, that just talking about pushing the stock down here. Look at what happened. This is April. So remember that article, guys? May. So here it is right here. May 15th, lawyered up, and then look what happened basically straight after that. So this is April, started getting going, May, and then we were at 650, something like that on a dollar value wise. And then all of a sudden, man, 13, 14, 15, you get a double, more than a double, almost a triple in just a couple months before coming back down and then really taking off to $34. So we're going to find out here what this Wes Christensen has up his sleeve, Neil, because look, if they're able to sort of disclose something here, whether or not it's going to be with Citadel, whether it's going to be with a lot of the different hedge funds that are out there, who knows, man, the pay for order flow, things like that. What are they going to discover here with AMC? Let's just look at some charts maybe, Neil, and see what we got.
Yeah, look, the reality is there's been a lot of chatter throughout both AMC, GameStop, and a lot of the other short squeeze names that there has been rampant naked short selling going on. And that's been a theme throughout this. I mean, a lot of times, and you look at the share volume, of course, and as we've broken to the downside here, I think this is where it's coming to a hedge because AMC had so much support in every single one of these dips, and since we've broken through this 40 even area, you've really seen some downward momentum with a nice rebound today, by the way, and you've been starting to see a lot of people talk about, hey, there's way too much this naked short selling going on. You see clips on YouTube constantly referring to anchors and people in the media letting it out, the cat out of the bag. And I think there could get some traction. I mean, they're on, I'm just going to quickly show a Reddit post here, but on Reddit, they're talking about this here. They're interested. It might go from one AMC shareholder to many being very concerned about this. And at the end of the day, you put a powerful lawyer behind it, you get a stock that everybody has been watching and that everyone knows about, that 80% of the shares are going to be held in retail hands. That is a powerful force. If there's wrongdoing that ends up getting found here, it is absolutely going to be able to move the stock. And I think that's the key concern. You're right at some key areas on the daily chart here. And when it rolled over, it gets even more attention. I mean, when we're back up at $60 at AMC, everyone's flying high. But when the weakness started to come in for days, day after day, naked short selling is going on. That's all you heard. And of course, that just simply means you don't get those borrows, and it's illegal. Is it happening? I can't say without any certainty, but if it is, heads could roll, Brendan.
So no lawsuit as of yet. However, where there is smoke, as we say, there's typically fire. Does it end in a class action type suit if they find enough information? All remains to be seen. But it is the start of possibly something to talk about going forward as far as AMC is concerned, guys. So more to come, I'm sure, as far as the AMC potential lawsuits to come from the retail side of things, guys. Here's Valeria.
Hey guys, thank you for sharing this information. Dear viewers, please subscribe to this channel to see more great videos.